Welcome to the Clarify Care Eye Management System. As we begin the second model of patient profiling. We'll navigate to the quick menu and click on the new user enrollment to register a new client onto the system. We proceed by providing the internally generated client number if you have it. If you don't have it, the system will automatically generate a patient ID for you. We begin by inputting the first name and the last name. We provide the date of birth of the client and remind you that the age will automatically populate itself for you. We now navigate to select the gender, whether as it's female or male. We provide our contact to send SMS to our client. We provide an alternative contact if you have it. And also, if the client has an email you wish to collect, you have the options to do that as well. We have this small box that tells you to select one. Either you want to deliver SMS to the client or you don't want to deliver SMS to the client. For this purpose, we will select yes to deliver the SMS to the client. You have the options to populate this other information onto the system. For the purpose of this demo, I will skip this part. We now press on create to register this patient onto the system. Once we have profiled this client, we have the options to register the patient insurance number onto the system, book this patient into the system, create appointments into the system, record complaint, record his ocular examination, record his refraction findings, record diagnosis, issue medications, and create invoice. We will start by booking this patient onto the system. We click on book outpatient and we select the doctor assigned to watch this patient. Do you wish to deliver SMS to this client? That depends on you. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll select no. We now click on create to book this patient onto the system. When we navigate back to our home, we can see we have 2 patients booked and 1 new outpatient recorded. When you scroll down, we can see the list of patients booked for today. We will click on manage patient to go back to his profile or record. We will now select the kind of operation we want to do. Let us assume we want to record a complaint that is being issued by the client. So for the purpose of the demonstration, I will write IXX. Then we create the, mind you, you need to select the nature of the complaint, whether it's chronic, mild, or new. We will select new for the purpose of this demonstration. So once we do that, we now navigate to add the ocular examination by clicking on the link below. We now write what we are supposed to write by the doctors. And we have the option to write a lot over here. But for the purpose of the demonstration, I'll leave most of them blank and create this ocular examination record. You now see the record being populated into the system. We proceed to add the refraction findings by providing the details that is supposed to be there. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will leave them blank and create. We now proceed to add the diagnosis note for the patient by clicking on the link below to open a dialog box, and we write the diagnosis note that we are supposed to write. We now click on create to create this diagnosis note. For the purpose of this model, we will end it over here and continue in the next model. Thank you.